Hola, yo soy Timoteo, and I'm gonna teach you how to get a bird. You're gonna want to learn your hard flips and your backside 180s. In order to execute a precise ghetto bird, you have to put your foot approximately right here, in the middle of the board, you know, just however you want it, the way you flick the hard flips. Your back foot right here on the curvature, you know, just like a regular hard flip position. Once you do the hard flip, while you're doing the hard flip, at the same time, you're gonna do it, right? You're gonna do it, and then in the air, your body's already gonna be turning backside as you do it. So you're like this, you're like that, you know. So right when you land your hard flip, right here, but your body's already twisted backside and your feet follow, you know. Unless you can get it in the air, you know. If you do it all in the air, you're tight, not like me. So you know, just do the hard flip, turn your body backside while doing it already, like this, and then just try to catch your board and just revert it, you know. Get a birds, get the ladies.